We're taking this drink. Everyone thinks it's so awful. I don't think it's that bad. It's my second time taking it today because we missed our hour. All right, now we're downstairs for my, yep, it's Ray. Last week, well, weekly appointment. Should be quick. Back at home now. Today was long, but to give you guys an update on my visit, one, I did not make it to the store, so I didn't get to finish my tree. But the house looks amazing. I love our new furniture. I'm still waiting on the table to get here. But anyways, today, so I carry small. I did gain 23 pounds now. I'm 190 pounds. This pregnancy versus pieces, I totally gained 15, but I had weighed 9, only gained 9 pounds when they were like really concerned about my weight. If you guys look at vlogs back when I was pregnant with Peace, you know, you can see all that. So anyways, same situation with Love. They're like, you're carrying small, you're only measuring. Now today I was measuring 35 inches when they do it from like the beginning of the vagina area and up. So anyways, then I went to the ultrasound. She weighs 6 pounds today. Head and everything, and organs all look well and size good. So yes, thumbs up to Love. So that was just that security check. I also been dealing with like a lot of pain, like where her butt is in my stomach. It's like really sharp and lower. Her little face is smashed. Like she's definitely, I gave birth to Peace at 6 pounds. So she'll probably be coming out bigger than Peace. And also it's 38 weeks. I'm 37 weeks today. So today's appointments were just all to make sure that she is growing good and doing good because I carry small. I don't think I look small at all. I don't feel small. This pregnancy is a lot more different than Peace. Like, and I talk about it every week. So that's that. I noticed Mondays at Magee, like they're cool for me because of my schedule, but they're always like so damn slow. Oh shit, I forgot. So another thing on Facebook, I seen this girl make a status that I repost about at the hospital, her man put his, you know, his name on the birth certificate and it shows up as non-existent, you know? And so many girls from Pittsburgh were commenting that they too have experienced the same exact situation in being at Magee Hospital. Same. DeAndre has been there every step of the way through our kids, and he signed all the papers and everything for Peace, but his name isn't present on his birth certificate. So I'm speaking about this now, like Dre was really livid thinking I did something wrong. And not that he's blaming me, but it's, you know, like I'm the overseer of things like that. But I'm like, you were right there with me the entire time. I know you filled out the stuff. You filled out what I filled out and read what I read, etc. Like we both signed on him actually getting circumcised, you know? And that was all in the same papers. His name isn't on it. I think it's very interesting that a lot of these women from Pittsburgh have commented that went to Magee and their significant other is not on their birth certificate and we're all African American. So, something to question, is this on purpose? Are you trying to continue to make us a statistic? Like, we got daddies here. I chose Magee again for a lot of things that I loved with Peace, but there's some things with them that could definitely be shaky. And this is one of them, especially, look at this shit. Look at this. What are you doing? Say, leave us now. Ow. Okay. Food on that. Ain't been over 4 minutes. Talk to him. Period. Say we just gonna end our Monday vlog. We're gonna hop in the shower. Yeah. No.
You try to get up there. You can't get up.
Tell them what you're doing. This is what we're doing with. Get on peace. Get on peace. He's trying to get the pictures. Peace. Where'd you go, BC? Much I'd rather have bigger shells, but it's all one more head. So. Alright, cut up some chicken. I got the chicken strips cut into like little pieces. This is 2 packs. Alright, so after my chicken was done, I removed the chicken. So we got a little bit of seasoning in there still. Added some butter, my garlic, chopped the tomatoes. You can use dried tomatoes. I'm actually going to link where I actually got the recipe from. Onions. Those are drained out. This is our chicken over here. Now you want to add some spinach on top. I say add it when the tomatoes get a little more raggedy looking. If you don't use dry. Just use these. The minced garlic and butter with the onion smells fabulous. Add the head whipping cream. I'm gonna turn it on low. Mozzarella. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. Alright. Now we got these little dishes from Walmart. Put some butter in them. Take your shell.
And dig in. Come on, Pete. Here.
Please put it down. Seriously. So after they're stuffed, lay them in there to put the, a little more sauce on there. Because the remainder of what we had left. I'm gonna top it back off with some cheese. Not a whole lot because we already had enough in our sauce. I let it sit in there for like 2 minutes. I had this one in for a little bit longer, about 5 minutes. Just really want that cheese to top off, because everything's already cooked, you know? Fire. So we finished the tree, guys. Look at the extra details I got in there. Oh yeah. This one is just in the way. I found this mat has left piece of joy. I had to get it. I found like these white ones with the fur, the white balls with the silver ones. Also got a few red sticks that spread out. The star, and now it's a darker red, but it goes perfect with the mat. And I love it. And we are done. Got all of our stockings. Not like that. The traffic out here, y'all. Down here it's crazy. It's definitely rush hour, but now I'm always has been. Do you guys have a HOV lane? Anyone live out that area? Like, y'all don't have a HOV? I wouldn't know. You definitely need to invest in one. Something. Shit. It's been a great Wednesday. I love when I don't have to work. But I got stuff done. Got my tree finished, as you guys seen. I got a couple little garland pieces I want to add. I'm going to finish when I get home. But I'm going in to Blink Fly for my 3-week fill. Now, I love Shalea's lashes. I told you guys, I shared on my last vlog. But this is a hike for me. So I'm going to have to make sure that I adjust a lot of time to just get out here and stuff. Considering, like, with all the construction and things like that, it gets really challenging. It's 4 o'clock and I already left out. Doesn't even take that long to really get here, but the way it's set up. I'm also gonna see if I can get a wax out here. Robinson was pretty busy earlier. I didn't want to backtrack time. Since I'm leaving a little early so I can get there before actually doing my lashes. Surprised the Andre, because your girl is like wolfing. Maybe a big TMI, but I wanted to wait till I got closer to my due date. Murraysville, closed. Y'all are goofy. I'm telling your corporate, you're not even allowed to be closed. I got no gas. Refill, full hybrid. Blink Fly. It's probably my last set of lashes for a minute. Hopefully, I know it'll be good by the time I give birth. And then we'll resume, but we'll be using my lash serum. Hopefully get like a nice natural lash serum. So, baking some cookies tonight. I got an early start tomorrow, so I'll let y'all in the morning. Hey, toodles. Nah. Hmm? PC? Dad? PC? Mommy? Dad? What is that? Mama, 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 mama. Peace. 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 Added some bread with the garlic. I'm in love with the little one, guys. Washed it, let it dry. Okay. Well, we already stopped. You already saw it out. I didn't put the labels on it yet. I think it's best to use like your wet set, your natural hair, when you're wearing braids. I put a really little bit when I put my hair straight. Y'all be saying that though. Being the nicest, stinkiest butt ever. Peace. You know what you're doing? Come here. Come give me a hug. No, little strong ass. Give me that. Peace signs order from Big Shot Boss. Peace loves to eat. Look, it's like, bitch, if you don't come on, you trying to record and stuff. So, literally my entire pregnancy, I've been crushing Italian hoagies. Big Shot Boss Italian sub, and I know it's like a wing spot if you guys have it here in Pittsburgh, but their subs are fire. Italian hoagie, extra toasted. Add the mayonnaise. Bomba clock. And my son's like, he crushes these right along with me. We're watching Troll. Comes with one size. Yeah, that's our french fries, dude. Yeah. Oh, they need to put the mozzarella on. Come on, Big Shot. All right, y'all. So, as seen on Facebook, this green mastic, I'm pretty sure you guys seen it. I am over trying a bunch of new products because honestly, this is hyperpigmentation and it's just like hormonal changes with my whole pregnancy. So a lot of my skin reaction just because of my current condition. However, I wanted to order this because I really wanted to see if it brought out the blackheads and stuff. So we are about to try it. If you have been just as anxious or as curious, I should say, as I have been, perfect time to be watching. So it says after you wash your face in tone. So I just wash my face. I just use my alcohol-free toner by Neutrogena. Then you apply it in good even amount to your skin. It does say to test like any other product in that inner arm or behind your ear. I'm not gonna do it. You apply an even amount to your skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. It freshens the natural skin, cleans with the old skin cells, cleans the pores and dirt, balances excess oils to the skin, replenishes moisture and nutrients to the skin, and makes the skin soft and shiny. I actually like how it's applied. You obviously could, if you're going to be sharing this with somebody, and you feel appropriate to use your hands to go ahead. You can do it myself. I love how it went on. Really, really light. It smells great, guys. So that's it. I'm going to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes as it says. This is about 3 minutes in. You definitely have like that dry feeling. So, normal clay mask. Definitely looks like my pores and stuff are popping out. See the little fan hairs. She's looking at me like, what the fuck is going on? Alright, so this is where we're at with it before I'm about to take it off. Yeah, I'm so tired. I feel like she's about to come out of me. I don't see anything like that video. I don't know. Something about my chin looks like some stuff popped out, but I don't know. What y'all think? First time use, so we'll just see what happens. But I didn't get that napkin of black shit I was trying to get. Might not have that shit. But we're ending tonight's vlog. Tomorrow's Saturday. I got towels to do, laundry to fold. We got our new washer. I think I told you guys that, but I didn't show it to you. I have to show it to you tomorrow. My legs feel like they're aching. I'm gonna go lay my ass down. And my cousin's Christmas party is tomorrow, so hopefully I'm not in labor tomorrow. I'll be attending that. They don't leave me alone.
She's alive. Come here. Wait.
Peace.
Look. Look.
Peace. Go PC. Go PC.
Yeah, he's like, ain't no music.
It's 2 o'clock. Drake took Beast to the mall. Shut up. I'm in the house by myself. I'm so thankful. I was so tired. I'm definitely having all the, I mean, clearly I'm about to clearly have her soon, but I'm having all the, shut the fuck up. All the last minute signs of like, you should be expecting your baby to come soon. I'm about to get up, straighten up this living room real quick, straighten my hair and do some stuff while her clothes gone. We're at the Christmas party. There goes the Grinch, live in center. What's going on? Dun, 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 dun. Uh-oh, there's a dog out.
Look at Pete. Pete kept going with him. He liked him.
He did.
Let's go outside. Come on. That like everything like.
Do you see that? Look.
He's like, nah, I got it.
He wanted that snowman so bad, you got it.
God, he smells like creature.
Picasso, PC. Picasso. Cousin Bonnie's annual Christmas party. Last year, Peace and I came. He was like, what, 4.5 months? In a car seat. Now he's just all over the place. So I got a Christmas gift from Colt. It's our Christmas gift.
Hey, that's orange.
Huh? Orange? It's love, babe. She got some teething toys. I'll have to revisit this stage. Oh, look how cute. Hold it up. Love out loud. Big heart. Big heart energy. These are cute.
I don't appreciate all you motherfuckers stealing my daughter's name either.
He did it.
Yeah, motherfucker. He did it. Whoever in Pittsburgh supposed to name their daughter Love, you ain't got no reason to be doing that. Get your goofy ass out of here.
I see you shining. I see you shining.
Been shining for a while.
Get out your ass. This is so cute. I love the little girl clothes. This is what I'm super excited about. I mean, come on with the swag. This is so cute. Oh, thank you guys so much. I gotta send my girl tips. Back home now. tired. What else is new? He's asleep. Hopefully he'll stay asleep.
Okay.
Peace. Come here. Peace. Check it out. Look. Come here. No. Look. Here. Peace. Open it. Look. Look. Let's get it. Good. Rip it off. Rip it off, dude. Here, pull it down. Pull it. I need him to get it. Pull. Pull it. Get the rest of it. Look. Pull it. There you go. Cocomelon. Look at my boy Swag. Where his little pants is from. I love them. They come in 1 year, so he'll wear this for the rest of the year. And I think your shit. So y'all, also yesterday when you guys see me clean my face with this, you know I didn't tell you how I felt afterwards. My skin was super smooth, so something else to add, but it doesn't say how many times you should use this. I just feel like if it's just picking away your pores and blackheads and stuff, and it's a mask, it's something I won't really do every day, so maybe I'll do it like tomorrow night, maybe 2-3 days. I'm out of breath with every goddamn step that I take. We're laying it down. No. Lay down. It's time to go to sleep, little piece. No. You just woke up how you're talking to. It's almost 12. Get out of there. Y'all, I've eaten so much McDonald's this pregnancy. I miss McDonald's because immediately after I let go of this beautiful love bug, we're on our shit. So all this fast food and this awful eating is done. But I've eaten so much McDonald's with love. Probably at least every day. If not, shit. They better come out here with this snowman. at least 4 times a week.
Probably in your glory. Got guys to see Pate here. What are you doing? Is somebody playing with you? Yeah. You're messing it up. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do. All right, we're wrapping up our vlog. I've been using that mustard on chicken, but I'm doing some fried chicken tenders and I think some fresh cut fries today. Nothing too major. Got some fresh baked cookies in there. Pretty chill Sunday. I love having Peyton here. I mean, like, she's occupying peace and I'm just like chilling. So put a couple bets in, hopefully I'll win. It's a great second week of Vlogmas, so we'll probably finish our Christmas decorating tomorrow because Dre has company, we're chilling, you know, but we have to finish that outside. Definitely want to get it finished by this week. I don't know, dealing with a sharp pain right here, y'all. And when I got the ultrasound, it indicated that that's where like her butt is. Oh, it hurts bad, especially if I try to like bend down, I feel like I'm squashing her. So I'll go to the doctor's this Tuesday. Make sure you guys tune in for next week's vlog. Each week's a new Vlogmas, and see where we're at with 38 weeks. If you're new to my page, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Return subscribers, always thank you. And as always, peace and love.